dear students.
Good afternoon.
Had your break, had your lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And your tummy is full. We will start the class. Yes?
Okay,
Your
ma'am.
energy. Now you show your energy in the class. We will see how you will give the answers for the question. Okay? Yes. So yesterday, what we done, children? Yes, poem. Right? Yes. What is the poem name? Tell me.
The owl and the pussycat.
The owl and the
Pussycat.
yes. So what you learned in this poem? Nothing but it is a funny poem, right? Very funny poem. Like what? The owl and the pussycats are getting married. And the owl is singing a song for the pussy. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
And how they married? With the ring, correct? Wedding ring. Who said that ring to pussy?
Pig.
Yes, pig. Yes, pig is having one ring in the nose, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then they gave the shilling money and they purchased the ring and they got married. Yes, and they danced with hand and hand. They danced in the moonlight, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This only we learned in the previous class, right, children? Poem.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you understood the poem, right?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
the poem was?
Nice, ma'am.
Very nice and funny, correct? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you all done the word and meaning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will move on to the exercise 2. Okay. Literature comprehension. What did the owl and the pussycat take on their journey to the sea? When they are going to the journey to the sea, what all they have been carried with them? Tell me.
The owl and the
See,
pussycat.
see children, I have already written on the board. Please listen. The owl and the pussycat took some honey and plenty of money that they had wrapped in a 5-pound note. Okay. Then next, second question. What was the owl doing on a boat? The owl.
The owl sang.
Listen, I will tell. Please, you don't say anything, just listen. The owl sang a song by playing a small guitar. Okay, the owl sang a song. Okay, while playing a small guitar. When they are playing the guitar, that time the owl sang the song. Okay. Then third question. What did the animals in the poem do for a ring for their wedding? What they did? Let's see. The owl and the pussycat found a pig with a ring in his nose. Correct, I already told. Yes. They got the ring for a shilling. Okay. The shilling means money, coins. I have already showed you, right? Yes, they purchased for that. Then next, fourth question. How did the owl and the pussycat celebrate their wedding? How they celebrated? Let's see. The owl and the pussycat celebrate their wedding by dining on mice and queens using a runcible spoon. They also danced hand in hand on the sand in the moonlight. In this way only they celebrate their wedding. Okay? Yes. Complete it. Yes, please watch the video and complete it, children. Okay. Then next is exercise 3. Read and answer. There are many rhyming words in the poem like boat and note, above and loud, ring, sing and ring. Okay. So you have to write down the rhyming words for each of the following words here given, right, in page number 5. You have to write the rhyming words here. Okay. First one is grow. Second, nose. Third, pound. Fourth, cell. Fifth, look. Okay, you have to write the 2 rhyming words for each of the word. This is your homework. Exercise 3 is your homework. Please complete it. Okay? Yes. Then you should send it in the group, this homework. Okay? Then next we have exercise 4. Value-based question, judgment and appreciation. First one is the owl and the pussycat carried a few things along with they went to sea. If you went for sailing a year a day, what would you take with you and why? You have to mention that. Okay. So I will write that answer on the board. Please children, you should copy down that also in your yes, textbook page number 5. Okay. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes. Have you all copied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, completed? Yes, please complete. If you are not completed, please watch the video and complete it, children. Yes, children, copy fastly. Say, I have rubbed the first, second, third. Okay. Now, we will move on to the exercise for first one. Okay. Please write down the exercise 4. First answer. I am writing the answers only. If I went sailing for a year and a day, I would take with me enough food and water. Enough food and water. Then warm clothes. Warm clothes. Good books. Good books to read. And music. And music to listen. Listen to. Okay. Yes. If I went sailing for a year and a day, I would take with me enough food and water, warm clothes, good books to read, and music to, yes, music to also to listen. Okay, listen to. Then next, second question. What is the second question? Do you find this poem funny? Yes, funny only. Why? You have to give the reason why. Okay. What are the things and words that you think are the nonsensical in the poem? Okay, which is not as nonsensical. That you have to mention. Okay, so yes, the poem is funny. So first question, yes. We have here 2 questions, 3 questions. Okay, do you find funny? For that, yes. Then why? The reason you have to say. I find the poem very funny because it is different. It is different and silly. Okay, it is different and silly. The owl singing a song to the pussycat. The worm tree, the piggy wig with a ring. With a ring at the end of his nose. The owl and the pussycat being married. By a turkey. And the word runcible are some things and words and that I find nonsense. I find nonsensical, yet funny. Okay, yes. So we completed this, right? Yes, see. I find the poem very funny because it is different and silly. The owl singing a song to the pussycat, the bone tree, the piggy wig with a ring at the end of his nose. The owl and the pussycat being married by a turkey, and the word runcible are some things and that I find nonsensical yet funny. Nonsensical, but it is funny. Okay, please write down this, children. Complete it, and your homework is exercise 3. Yes, exercise 3, read and answer is your homework that you should complete. Okay, so we completed this lesson fully, right? Yes, then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.